Welcome back to the car collection where design dares to dream. And today, we're exploring something surreal, sculptural, and straight out of a concept artist's imagination, the 2026 Citroën GT. Yes, it's real. What started as a virtual showpiece for Gran Turismo has now evolved into one of the most radical road-going creations to ever wear the double chevron badge. The 2026 Citroën GT isn't just a car, it's a rolling vision of the future, brought to life in the present. Visually? It doesn't even try to be subtle. A dramatic low-slung profile, butterfly doors, aggressive split rear diffuser, and aerodynamic sculpting from every angle. It's part hypercar, part cyberpunk spaceship. This is the kind of car that turns a boulevard into a photo shoot. Under the hood, or rather, behind the cabin, the GT is rumored to feature a fully electric quad motor setup, producing a combined 800-plus horsepower. 0 to 60? Under 2.8 seconds. Top speed? Electronically limited, but with aerodynamics like this, it could push beyond 220 miles per hour if unrestricted. But this isn't just about speed, it's about drama. From the active aero to the turbine-style wheels and LED light blades that flow through the bodywork, everything about the GT is designed to feel like it's from the next decade, not just the next model year. Inside, the cockpit feels more like a concept car than a production vehicle, floating digital displays, minimalist touch surfaces, and a fighter jet-style seating position with racing harnesses and carbon fiber everything. The driver is the center of the experience. Everything else is just set dressing. And here's the twist, it's extremely limited. Citroën plans to build only a handful of GTs, mostly for collectors and brand ambassadors, each rumored to cost upwards of €2 million. Yes, you heard that right, as Citroën in Bugatti territory. But then again, when it looks and drives like this, maybe it earns its place. So, would you call this the ultimate design icon, or is it just a dream made real for the ultra-rare few? Drop your take in the comments. And if you believe cars should still be art, not just transportation, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. This is the car collection where fantasy finds the fast lane. See you in the next one.